Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Liquanea to Papine, and we are currently in Lane Plaza in the Liquanea area. And Lane is a very popular plaza in Liquanea. It's probably the third most popular plaza, well, maybe number two. Number one is definitely Sovereign, and between Lane Plaza and Liquanea Plaza, it's probably the number two plaza. It follows the formula that you need for a successful plaza. Actually, it's probably number three. It has the high-low supermarket, it has the food stores, and it's built in a populated area. Liquanea Plaza, which is a plaza straight ahead of us now, follows the same formula, but they have more food stores, so it's probably going to be a busier plaza. They have the general food supermarket, they have Wendy's, they have Starbucks, they have Mother's. So they're probably the number two plaza. And the Lane Plaza would be the number three plaza. The other plazas, they do very well, but they don't follow that simple formula. They don't have the supermarkets and the food stores. Okay, so on the left now is a Scotiabank branch. Liquanea is a very busy area. You're going to find, actually Liquanea has more restaurants in this area than any other area in Jamaica. On the right is the US Embassy. Yeah, there are more restaurants in the Liquanea area than anywhere else, any single area in Jamaica. Okay, on the left now is the Standpipe community. Okay, at this point we are on Old Hope Road. The road becomes a dual carriageway. So you have two lanes going up, two lanes coming down. Those cars that you see on the right, they are actually going on to staying on Old Hope Road, but they're going back down. It's the road from you come off Barbican Road, it's and you head left, it has a one-way system. Okay, on the right is the first KFC location that opened in Jamaica, and KFC is now the number one fast food restaurant in Jamaica. And KFC does so well that they even have barbecue chicken that's sold in Jamaica that isn't sold in the US. Okay, on the left is Jamaica College, very prestigious school in Jamaica. They do very well at football. Okay, now up here you have a lot of government offices. You have RADA, you have the Scientific Research Council. On the left, at this intersection, if you turn left, you go into the Hope Pastures area, which is a residential community. You have the Ministry of Industry and Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries on the left, or an office. A lot of government agencies or business places on the left. Okay, so the left now, over there is RADA. At this intersection now, if you turn right, you go into the Mona area, which is another residential community. On the left, you have Mines and Geology Division, Rural Agricultural Development Authority, Scientific Research Council, Jamaica Bauxite Institute, the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Hope Gardens. As we said, a lot of government agencies are on the left. Now, up in this area, the Papine area, you're going to find the two largest universities in Jamaica. On the left, coming up to the University of Technology, and if we turn right, we would go into at the stoplight, if we turn right, we'd go down to the University of the West Indies Mona campus. So with these two large universities, Papine is a very busy area, and you find Mono and even Hope Pastures. A lot of students would rent homes there or rent a room and board, and so those are very popular areas. So this basically is like the university town part of Jamaica. You also have, I think it's a Heart Institute office in Papine, which is another very large institution. Okay, so on the left, that's the University of Technology. And we have videos up of the university if you want to take a look. And if we turn right here now, we would go down toward and enter the University of the West Indies Mona campus. We say Mona campus because the University of the West Indies has more than one campus. So they differentiate them by the location. Also, if we turn right, the University of the West Indies Hospital is right there. So straight ahead is the Papine area. And Papine, very popular area, mostly because of the students from the two universities. So you're going to find it's a large transportation hub. And there you can see on the right a lot of taxis and buses that are parked. Okay, we're going to turn left here and go and look at the Heart Institute location. So all of this is the Papine area. This is the commercial part, but there, to the right, there are a lot of homes, very large residential area. On the left is the Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, Food Storage and Prevention Unit. And if we continue up this road, well, actually this road is actually the Garden Town Road, and it takes you up to the Garden Town area. Papine High School is to the left, and if we turn right here, maybe it's a one-way, but down there is that's the residential community, very large community. Okay, straight ahead where you see that building on the left, that's the Heart Institute campus. Here it is. This is the National TVET Center. Okay, so it has an official name, and it's part of the Heart Trust. There you go, you can see the sign. The National TVET Center of Jamaica. The National Council on Technical and Vocational Education and Training. So I guess that's what NCTVET stands for. But it's a very large institution, a very large campus. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.